In this video, I will show you how you can change the wallpaper or the theme of the keyboard on your Samsung tablet. Now to do that, on your tablet, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Now from here, just install Gboard on your tablet. Now once you have installed Gboard on your tablet, then just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on General Management. And from here, just tap on Keyboard. Under All, just enable the toggle for Gboard. Select OK. Now after you enable the toggle for Gboard, then tap on Default Keyboard and change the keyboard from Samsung Keyboard to Gboard. After that, just go to your home screen and open the keyboard on your tablet. As you can see, we have changed the keyboard of our tablet to Gboard. Now to customize the theme and to change the wallpaper of our keyboard, just tap on the theme button over here. But if you cannot find the theme button over here, then just go to Settings. From here, just tap on Theme. And on this screen, you can select any of the default themes available on the screen. You can select any of the solid colors. You can select a landscape photo or a gradient. Now for an example, I will select this color. Then tap on Apply. As you can see, we have changed the theme of the keyboard on our tablet. But if you want to customize the keyboard even more, for an example, if you want to set a photo in the background of the keyboard, just go back to Settings and tap on Themes. But this time, just tap on the plus icon over here. Now you can select any photo from the Gallery app of your tablet. Now for an example, I will select this photo. After that, just tap on Done. Now just select the part which you want to show on the keyboard. After that, just tap on Next. From here, you can adjust the brightness of the photo in the background. You can dim it or you can show it just like that. And once you're satisfied with the photo in the background, just tap on Done. Select Apply. Now if you open the keyboard one more time, as you can see, we have successfully set a photo in the background of our keyboard, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.